Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make kitchen sink cookie. I know it looks sound funny, but the reason why we call this cookie name is a kitchen sink cookie because we not included the kitchen sink, but we're going to include all other ingredients. So it's really interesting cookie. This cookie is very famous in a huge famous restaurant. It's called Panera Bread. It's very famous franchise restaurant in USA. Friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friends, you can give this amazing cookie to your friends and family because the holiday is coming soon. So let's see what you need to make this yummy, delicious, super fantastic cookie. So friends, all you need is I have a half cup broken pretzel, 1/4 of a flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup brown sugar, sea salt for sprinkle on top, 1 egg, half cup butter, and we're going to melt it soon, half cup caramel bits and half cup of chocolate chip. So in the bowl I'm just adding the butter. So friend, please check out the description below for two metrics, is a gram and the cup measurement. And that paper I'm just rub it on the pan. I'm going to grease the baking sheet. Anyway it's non-stick, but it's good to be grease some butter on the pan. And now you see the butter is melt completely. I just microwave about 1 minute. It's melt already. Now I'm adding that brown sugar. It's light brown sugar. You always can make it half for sugar, white sugar, half of the brown sugar is your optional. I just beat it until we get nice creamy texture. Now I just break the egg. There's a 1 egg. I'm just mix all combined together. So it's giving nice creamy and smooth texture. Now I'm just adding the vanilla extract. It's about 1 teaspoon. Give nice aroma and the flavor too. And now in the bowl I have about 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I just mix, and then I'm just adding all together, and I'm trying to mix all this cookie dough until it form nice smooth and creamy and nice texture, like a doughy texture. So we're going to mix all the flour combined together. Now it's a pretzel bits. I just broke it all that, and then I'm adding the chocolate chip and caramel bits together. So you can see the dough kind of little sticky, and we're going to mix, and the pretzel going to absorb all that the moisture from the dough. It should be good. And then once we're done, I'm going to wrap it, and then I'm going to refrigerate it. Meanwhile we're going to preheat the oven. So I'm just wrap it, and then now I'm preheat the oven for 325 Fahrenheit. So we're going to bake this cookie about 10 to 12 minutes. That's sufficient, friend. You don't need to over bake. It's very soft and really good cookie. It's very yummy and different flavor textures I'm going to talk about in while. So I just scoop it, a small ice cream scooper. Normally the cookie is really huge big. It's about like a 2 scoop of the ice cream, but I just like to have like a smaller size, so small portion. And then in a fork I just press it down, and we're going to sprinkle some sea salt. So we're going to sprinkle sea salt. This is unique recipe because we have the caramel flavor and sea salt. That's why I keep repeating, this is a really unique cookie because we're going to have a lot of texture, flavor, salty flavor and caramel, creamy. Now I'm putting in the oven. I'm bake for 325 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. now it's already brown, all the edges. It's done, friends. And we can cool this cookie in the cooling rack. So it just take about 10 to 12 minutes. Just watch out. It's nice. Once turned nice golden brown, you can turn off oven and you remove it. And I complete another batch. It's completely done. So when the cookie is done, you can see on the top a little bit crack, but it's really soft and gooey inside. You can see I'm trying to break it apart and I'm showing how it looks inside. While it's warm, the chocolate all melt and really gooey and so good, friends. The texture from the pretzel will give nice crunchiness and then really have like a bite on it. And then the chocolate chip is so good. It's really chocolatey. I'm using the semi chocolate. So your option, you can use the milk chocolate chip. So this is how it look. So you can always give this cookie to your friends and family. It's due to the holidays coming soon, and you always can enjoy with a cup of glass of milk. This cookie is so good. Kids love this cookie, especially with for the lunchbox or for the holiday festival. So friend, I hope this cookie really give you some idea about how you can combine all other ingredients. You always can add any type of nuts, walnuts, almond, or some of graham cracker. It's all your choice, friend. This cookie is all about, as they call here, is a kitchen sink cookie. It's mean we going to include all other ingredient, not the kitchen sink, because it's all about that the name being built in here. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. It's simply delicious. It's really unique cookie. That's why we want to bring all that famous and all that best recipe in the world in our channel, and we're going to show you how to make the all wonderful recipe and in the easy way. So friend, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I believe you're going to try this cookie. Please leave a comment how it's come. Thank you. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.